on the border of Washington and Idaho on a private landowner strip. We are doing a selective cut for them to turn this into a preserve. The goal is to keep the trees that they want, that they desire to keep here, and then Mother Nature will do the rest. My family's been in the business. My dad started in '74, and then I started in '84 out of high school. My little brother just recently bought the company, so now we work for him. It's family. You look after each other, you do what it takes. We have a skidder, which is a 535C. We just recently bought a 527 high track. We have a 320D processor, and then we have another log loader. Cat appeals to me because of serviceability, very little downtime. They always have the part, which is nice. Other companies that we've used in the past takes a long time to get part, which is downtime, which is money. We've just had great luck working with Western States and using Cat products. First thing I noticed was how big the cab was. And I thought, wow, do you really need that big of a cab? It looked cool, got in it. You can definitely stand up in that machine. That was one of my biggest things, was wondering if the AC could heat up or keep it cool enough in there. So I do like the comfort of the AC and the heater system and everything else in there. It is very nice. I love the big windshield. It's got good visibility all the way around, which is really nice when you're processing and you got logs swinging all around you. You want to see where they're coming, who's coming in on the side with the skidder or whatever. You got that visibility, which is great. There was camera in there, backup camera. Never seen that before. Comfort of the cab. It's impressive. At the end of the day, you're not as exhausted, let's put it that way. The track power on that machine is incredible. The stump height really is not a factor anymore because you can clear it. That's huge on a processor, is being able to get around with not too much trouble. Swing power is quick and smooth. Getting used to the pilot controls versus electric feels weird, but it's a good feeling. It's easier on the wrist, it's easier on the back. The smoothness when you're doing a dual function, you don't get a hiccup in it. The lights are incredible. It lights up the whole forest. It goes from pitch dark to daylight. This one is very impressive for taking out in the woods. I do really enjoy running it.